Hello po sa inyong mga kababayan. This video I am addressing the statement of Senator Risa Hontiveros. Sinabi po niya, surrender to the ICC is not a deprivation of due process. It is the means by which due process is realized. The ICC provides for principles which ensure fair proceedings and ample opportunity to be heard. These include the right to counsel, the presumption of innocence, and the ability to challenge jurisdiction and the ability to raise defenses, the ability to say that one is not fit to stand trial. Lahat nga po ito ay inavail ng dating Pangulong Duterte. Risa Hontiveros, isa kang senator ng Republika ng Pilipinas, and you also express your willingness or yung kagustuhan mo talagang tumakbo bilang presidente. And yet, in this particular statement, pinakita mo sa buong mundo na kung ikaw ang maging presidente, you are basically just like your cohorts or yung mga kolega mo na pare-pareha kayo ng pananaw, that you are willing to give up the sovereignty of the Philippines, gaya ng pag-give up nila at pagbastos nila sa soberanya ng Pilipinas sa pag-surrender or pag-kidnap kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte para doon he's going to face the charges hurled against him sa foreign tribunal. Let me remind you, Madam, that the judiciary of the Philippines is alive and well. Wala ka na bang respeto sa mga magistrates natin, sa mga Supreme Court justices natin? Are you basically saying that our judicial system is no longer working? Are we at war with anyone or any country? Or do you want that to happen? So if your resort is to go to a foreign tribunal to hear cases na pwede naman talagang i-file sa local courts natin or sa Supreme Court mismo, bakit pa nagpahayag ka na kagustuhang maging presidente kung yun lang naman pala ang gusto mong mangyari? That's the problem with people like you. You think that it is convenient, and because it is easy to just resort to a foreign body, that doesn't mean that it is right. Magsabi ka ng due process, ikunulong nga si PRRD dyan ng 1 taon. Wala pang ang confirmed charges. He's not even considered a suspect here. And you are old in saying that there's a presumption of innocence there? No, I think nawawalan ka ng direksyon sa pag-iisip mo at nawawalan ka ng clarity sa utak mo. Perhaps you need to bring with you the index card para merong guide ka kung anong sasabihin mo. At sana makita ng mga Pilipino ano yung mga pinagsasabi mo na wala naman talagang bili, way pulos, kung sa Bisaya pa. Maura to, merese.